Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Creative Careers, and if you are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button because I make contents regarding all sort of design fields, design exams and careers in interior design, UX UI design and graphic design. If you are interested in these fields, or if you are interested in architecture and B planning, or if you want to drop out of the college and get your some good careers in the field of creative field and skill, please hit the subscribe button because my channel is just for you guys. So today's topic is all about Bachelors of Design in IIT Hyderabad. Yes, the exam is UC'd. Even IIT Hyderabad has B Design course. If you don't know what is B Design, I highly recommend go and check out the in the video. The link is given in the description. It's a 4 years bachelor's degree course, and deals with in the first 3 years, IIT Hyderabad deals with fundamentals like basics of designs with variables, giving electives and all. And in the 4th year, you will be choosing a very specializations. And specializations are happen to or offered in Hyderabad are the product design, the communication design. If you don't know what is product design, I highly recommend go and check out my video on product design. Then there is communication design that deals with that is the combination of graphic design and multimedia design. Then user experience design or a UX design. So even I have video of UX design as well. If you don't know what it is, please go and check out. It is in high boom career these days. So if you get this course from this college, you are going to have an amazing package, no doubt in it. So I highly recommend trying for UC'd exam. You can still please go and check out my video on what is UC'd and how you can get through these colleges. And last but not the least, this one is not a complete specialization, but in every elective you have this option of choosing film and animation design, which is again an incredible course in the creative field. And getting this course from IITs is one more big advantage for you. And the most important thing, where you will all be stuck, how much will I get the package, what will be my salary, where am I going to get the job. The most important thing is your packages will start from around 8 lakh per annum. And apart from that, as I said, all these communication design people will will be hired in the great advertisement industries or film industries, media industries. And these people from product design will be hired to a product based companies, like all these big companies like Godrej, which produce electrical goods and all, right? The product based companies. And UX designers will go into corporate and these app based companies, which are your software companies basically, because you will be so efficient in doing the interaction design and all. So there is no doubt in getting a good job. These are the future courses you should be going through. These are the courses which provide you the skills you require while you work, not like you go for engineering, post which no matter whatever branch you are from, you will end up doing a Java course and you will get into ITs. So I would highly recommend going for these sort of fields where you are interested, where you can get a good job, where you have colleges like IIT to teach you these things, and colleges like NID. I highly recommend you to give design exams. So hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching this, and please subscribe to the channel.